G'day guys, it's your boy Zaliest here, and today I thought I'd bring you something new. So as you can see, it's been a long time. It has actually been, I'll give you a sec, it's been 9 months since I last uploaded. So I thought, why not? I brought some new toys for the thing. So, thought I'd do an unboxing video. So, let's get into it. Alrighty. So, I just brought, what did I buy? I'll tell you what I brought. I brought an Audio Technica USB gaming desktop microphone, which that's it there. So, because I've recently had to use either my Mac or my phone for audio to record sound. So, get this out of the box. So, instruction manual fell, I think. Oh, that's the invoice. Okay, so I don't want to break it before I get out the packet. Yeah, use a knife. So this cost me 30 or say $40 for, so just a little one, just to like, so I can get better audio for you guys. And I bought a webcam again, because I've either had to use the webcam on either my Mac or my phone. So I brought the LifeCam, Microsoft LifeCam HD 3000. Just, you know, just because I'm starting up, don't want to be spending heaps of money. So, as you can see, just a little webcam, just to, you know, like I said, just to actually get better, make content for you guys. There we go. Because I am recording right now on my phone. Yeah, just why not make it better for you guys to like get clearer pictures. So yeah. Alright guys, so that's basically a short video today, just explaining what I brought for you guys. I will be uploading soon more content. Let me know what you guys want me to do, like if you want me to do reaction videos, kind of stuff like that. I'll be more than happy to. But other than that, it's been your boy, and I'll see you in the next video. See you, bye.